Hi there, I'm Mark from ScanTech, and I'm thrilled to present this new series of videos for NimbleTrack to get you started with ScanTech's latest tracking 3D system. In this episode, we're going to unbox it to check what's so special about this system. You might have noticed this protection case next to me. This time we've packed everything you need for NimbleTrack into one single case, including the scanner, the tracker, the calibration bar, the power adapter, and so on. It's so portable that you can easily fit it into a car trunk. This means you can take NimbleTrack wherever you go. Now let's dive in and discover what's inside. We'll start with the spherical device on the left side of the case. It is the scanner of the NimbleTrack system. As you can see, this one is much more lightweight. It adopts ScanTech's newest carbon fiber frame integrated molding technology, reducing weight by 25% and size by 33%. More surprisingly, users can touch any part of the scanner, making our 3D scanning work extremely convenient. Despite its compact size, the scanner doesn't compromise on performance. Under ultra-fast scanning mode, the NimbleTrack scanner offers 17 blue laser crosses and a frame rate of 120 fps. Meanwhile, we've optimized the layout of the reflective targets on the scanner, allowing it to be tracked by the tracker in real time. Now let's turn to the tracker of the NimbleTrack system. First, take out the tripod from the case. We can easily fix the tracker on the tripod with only one hand. From now on, we can freely move around in various measurement scenarios with NimbleTrack. Equipped with a high-performance 25 megapixels industrial camera, the tracker offers a 3.2-meter tracking range, redefining precision for small to medium-sized parts. Here we've also equipped a power adapter, a data cable, which are needed for the wired mode, as well as a USB dongle, calibration plate, and calibration bar. There are some new accessories in the case. These are for NimbleTrack's wireless capabilities, including the batteries for both the scanner and tracker, a battery charger, a router, and a Wi-Fi module. Both the scanner and tracker are battery-powered, eliminating the need for external power during scanning. To use NimbleTrack wirelessly, simply connect the scanner and tracker to the router, then link your computer to the provided Wi-Fi network. NimbleTrack ushers in the third generation of ScanTech's 3D scanning technology featured by intelligent and wireless 3D scanning. We'll bring more videos to get you started with this revolutionary 3D system, so stay tuned and see you next time.